what's up you guys? Brandon Cordero. Today I got another one for you. Unpackaging video. Today's unpackaging video is sponsored by NoizyBrands. New sponsor of mine. Pretty sick. They blessed me with this book bag full of stuff. So, see what it's looking like inside. Woo. Got the Bluetooth speaker, the wireless. Pretty sick. I'm gonna just open it up right now and see how it's looking. Oh, this is awesome. Check that out. That's sick. What else I got? Oh, I got some stickers. Some not again stickers. They got the headphones nodding up. That's pretty sick. Please not again. NoizyBrands.com. Make sure you check it out. And I got some sick bottle openers right here. Noisy brand bottle openers. That's sick. And I'll definitely have their information in the description. So follow them on Twitter and Instagram. And yeah, comment, like. That'd be dope.
Power on.
Whoa.
Bluetooth mode.
That's loud.
Wait connecting.
I'm waiting.